Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Lowe's affiliate links for seasonal home projects step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Lowe's affiliate program website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Find the section labeled Affiliate Links. Click on Create a new link. Select the type of product or season you want. Use the search bar to find specific items related to your seasonal home project. Once you've found your desired product, click on it. This will open a new window with options for creating your link. Choose between text links or banner ads based on your preference. For text links, highlight the generated URL. For banner ads, copy the provided HTML code. Make sure to customize the link, if given the option, to better suit your content. Keep SEO best practices in mind while creating your links. Now, integrate the affiliate links into your content. Place them strategically within your blog or video description. Make sure they align with seasonal themes for maximum engagement. Test the links to ensure they direct correctly to Lowe's website. Lastly, track the performance through the dashboard analytics. Monitor clicks and conversions to adjust your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.